Okay, so we just watched your video of you teaching your math lesson, and we're gonna fill out the watch yourself sheet. So when it says praise to correlation ratio was at least 3 to 1, what do you think?
I think so. I think probably a 5 or a 6. I really wanted to praise the people who got the problems right. I said, "Good job, Dominic."
Sure.
I like the way that I see your frame. Yeah, I thought I did a good job praising.
Yeah, I heard definitely. I would say 3 to 1 was there. There was lots of
6.
Positive praise going on.
Okay.
I clearly explained expectations prior to each activity.
Yeah, I mean, they knew how to use the cubes because we've talked about it before, and I told them exactly how many to get out and what I was looking for, and then what our objective was.
You could tell that they had worked with them before, for sure. They knew how to get them out and put them together.
Yeah, how to make tens and ones.
And the mats also. My correlations were calm. Oh, sorry, my corrections were calm, consistent, immediate, and planned in advance.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely calm.
Yeah.
Even when they were not successful, there was
just a reminder
calm,
of kind
consistent redirection.
Yeah.
Questions were at the appropriate level.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, my learning
especially considering that it was at-risk group.
Right.
You tailored those questions.
And I tried to put their names in it so that way they'd be more excited about it.
They were excited about it.
Yeah. They were like, what?
My learning structure, stories, cooperative learning, thinking devices, experimental learning were effective.
Yeah, they got to use the cubes. They got to use the mats.
The problems have their names, so that was fun.
I think so.
And they, you could tell that they were, not that they were talking to neighbors, but they were also, they were looking and using strategies of helping each other.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Maybe a 5 or 6.
Variety of learning structures effectively. Well, so you had the
cubes,
kinesthetic and the visual.
And the word problem.
The word problems. You asked questions. I think the only thing, maybe the problem on a board so they could remember the visual of the numbers would have maybe helped.
Or have them use a whiteboard to also solve it, maybe.
The objectives were on the board, though, so you had that visual. But you had a lot going on, definitely, with the manipulatives.
Okay. I clearly understand that my students know. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I do. And those
that's
ones
where
are a little bit tricky just because of the language.
Well, it was clearly a group that was at risk.
Sure. And they really needed that extra support.
They needed extra support.
And I think they did pretty good by the end of the 3 problems. They really, at the beginning, I think, because it wasn't our normal math time, I think they were a little bit like, what are we doing? So I think maybe that threw them off a little bit, but definitely by the end they were, when I asked, what's that called when we take a 10 or take 10 ones and make it into a 10? Regrouping. So they were a little hesitant at first, but they definitely got it by the end of the 3rd problem, definitely.
Okay. Good.
And I think they probably could benefit from definitely some more one-on-one support.
Some more one-on-one.
All the time.
All the kids can.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
But it definitely gave me an idea of what I can help them with more.
Yeah. All right.